Hi guys, Mrs. DeMarco here. This is your weekly OT lesson. So I wanted to focus on some kitchen supplies this week. So I'm going to share this sheet with you on the email. If you don't have a printer and can't print it out, you could just write the corresponding numbers on a piece of paper and we can talk about it on Thursday in the Zoom class. Or you could just gather 3 items, kitchen items, that you see on this paper for you to share during our class on Thursday. Okay, so I just wanted to share some of the kitchen items that I have in my kitchen because sometimes they all look a little different than they look on the paper. They might be different colors, they might be made out of different material than what is shown on the paper, but it's actually the same item and it has the same use. So number 1 on the paper is called a chopping board, also known as a cutting board. In the picture, it is made out of wood, but I have plastic ones in my kitchen, okay? This one happens to be red. They come in lots of different colors. So this is my cutting board in my kitchen. Another item on the list is chopsticks. So I have a couple types of chopsticks. I have these kind that come in a paper wrapper that you get if you go to eat hibachi or you eat Chinese or Japanese food. Sometimes it's fun to use chopsticks. So these are actually wooden ones and they're pretty much, you throw them away after you use them. I also have washable, reusable, fancy chopsticks like this that you wash and reuse. So they can look a little different. Another item on here is a spatula. So in the picture, that spatula looks like it has a wooden handle, but I have a black one here that's all plastic. So they can look a little different, the spatula. Okay, what else do I have here? A whisk. All right, you can use this for lots if you're beating up eggs or stirring a sauce. You use a whisk. My whisk is blue plastic with a metal handle. They also come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. All right, so another thing on your list is a rolling pin. Now the rolling pin on the paper has 2 handles on either end, but I have a rolling pin that looks like this with no handles and you just use your hand to roll it. This is called a French rolling pin. Okay, it's a little different, but still a rolling pin. All right, another item on your paper here is a ladle. All right, a ladle you use to scoop out sauces or soup. Okay, I have a metal one and I have a black plastic one. Both a ladle, just made out of different materials. Another thing on your list is a grater. Okay, you use it to grate cheese, or sometimes I use it to grate carrots. They also come in different sizes and shapes. The one on your paper is more of a squarish shape and this one's more of a roundish shape. Okay, what else do we have here? Colander. So I have a metal colander. I also have a plastic one, but it's in my cabinet right now. Looks like the one on your paper, number 18, is a plastic colander. They also come in lots of different sizes, shapes, and colors. Another item on your list is a knife. This is a kitchen knife. It's very sharp and you would only use it with your parents' supervision because you could cut yourself with it if you're not very careful. All right, So there's also other items on here that I didn't share with you today. So your assignment is to find 3 items in your kitchen, and you can show us what they look like during our class Zoom on Thursday. Also, if you're able to print out the paper and write in the numbers, that would be great. And you can share that on Thursday as well. Or you could just print out the numbers on a different piece of paper and we can review it on Thursday. So I hope you enjoyed this little cooking lesson, and I'm looking forward to seeing what your kitchen items look like on Thursday. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.